How was a Megaron built? Imagine stepping into ancient Greece and seeing a grand hall that looks like it belongs to a palace. That's what a Megaron was, a key part of Mycenaean architecture. Let's find out how these impressive structures came to life. First, the foundation was built with large stones called Cyclopean masonry. These massive blocks were fitted together without mortar, creating a sturdy base that could support the entire building. The ancient builders used simple tools like hammers and chisels to shape these stones, which could be as big as a small car. Once the foundation was in place, they built the walls on top using a mix of large stones and mudbricks. The lower part of the walls was made from these huge stones, carefully fitted together to form a strong base. Above that, they stacked mudbricks, which were sun-dried and easier to shape. The walls were often plastered and decorated with colorful frescoes, showing scenes from daily life or myth. For the entrance, they made a columned porch called a pronaos. Wooden columns supported the roof and created a grand entrance. Inside, the main hall or naos was supported by four large wooden columns arranged in a rectangle. These columns held up the roof, which was likely made of wooden beams covered with thatch or tiles. The roof's shape might have been pitched or barrel-shaped, but wood was the main material. The floor was often made from patterned stones or concrete, sometimes covered with rugs. The entire structure was built to last, with careful planning and strong materials. Building a megaron could take several months to over a year, depending on its size and complexity. The builders used simple tools but relied on their skill and teamwork to create these monumental halls. The construction of a megaron was not just about function but also about showing power and prestige. Every detail, from the massive stone base to the painted walls, reflected the importance of the space. When you visit the ruins at Mycenaean, you can see how these techniques created a building that has survived thousands of years. The megaron was a symbol of Mycenaean strength and culture, built with a combination of sturdy materials and clever design. It's amazing to think how these ancient builders managed to create such impressive structures with only basic tools and a lot of skill.